this episode, we will be replacing the front fuel tank on my 96 OBS Ford. I was having some hesitation, no throttle, and loss of power when I was on the front fuel tank. And I was also having a leak, as you can see here. And as you can see here, the fuel sending unit was just complete trash. So I ordered all brand new components, new fuel sending unit, tank, gaskets, the whole 9 yards. What?
Known to man. Okay.
And here's the new tank with all brand new components ready to go into the truck. I added this foam insulation between the tank and the frame to just minimize any metal on metal rubbing. I also replaced the fuel filter and the fuel supply line between the fuel filter and the engine.
Alright. You just gotta cover your ears. Okay? You gonna cover your ears?
And here it is, all installed and connected, ready to be tested.